Hey everybody, it's Ben here. I'm pretty excited because I just got my July electric bill. I know most people don't get excited about their electric bills, but a while back I installed solar panels on my garage. So I just check in every month, let you know how it's working out for me. I also have an electric car. And one thing I really like about my system is that the solar panels can output over 5,000 watts on just a nice sunny day like this. And the car only charges at a little over 3,000 watts. So in the middle of the day, I can actually be charging the electric car, powering my garage, powering my house, and still have energy left over going back out to the neighbors, and that's tracked through my power meter. I'm what's called a grid tie system or a grid interactive system. So at the end of the month, I know how much power I pulled from the grid, I know how much power I put back out to the grid, and I only have to pay for the difference between the two. Now this last month, it was nice and sunny, so we had some pretty good power production, but it was also hot, so we were using the air conditioning quite a bit too. So frankly, I have no idea exactly what my electric bill is going to be. So let's take a look to see what we actually have to pay for this month. So no tricks, nothing like that. This is literally my electric bill. Opening it up right now on camera. I have no idea exactly what it is, but if we look here, this month we overproduced 125 kilowatt hours. My current charge is negative $1.08. My account balance, negative $31.61. So there you have it. Even running air conditioning for half the month, the power company still owes me $1, and that's inclusive of various fees, power adjustment charge, renewable energy charge, commitment to community charge, meter fee, everything like that. It's July and they owe me $1. I hope you like these videos. Please, if you do, share, like, comment, subscribe. Tell all your friends about it. Check out 300mpg.org where you can follow all of my electric vehicle adventures. And until next time, stay charged up.